As you may have noticed, for the past 4 months, I've been off YouTube. And this has been damn crazy. I've been missing you guys, and man, life has never been the same. But today, we are back. Let's rock and roll, and boom, we're gonna fly the drone right about now. So today, you rolling? So today is a beautiful day. We are back on the channel. We are back. I'm so excited to see you guys, and I'm so delighted to be here once again. Guys, tell me, what have I been missing? Guys, I've been missing you guys so freaking much. I can't even explain it. It's been so boring here, and I'm so happy that I've recovered. I've been having a lot of health complications. So as you already know, I just took time off, like filmmaking, photography, making YouTube videos, and man, it has been so refreshing. It has been so nice. I can't imagine like how good it has been. Like my mental, physical health has just been restored, and I feel so good. I'm going to create videos for you guys, and I know you guys are going to love it. I'm going to create awesome videos. I already have videos already scripted, and it's going to be massive. I can't wait to share my experience with you guys. I can't wait to share with you like what I've been passing through all this time, the anxiety, the depression. I mean, a lot of things has been happening. Hey guys, so tell me, yoga everybody, tell me, what have I been missing? Tell me down in the comments below. I've been missing you guys. I've been missing like the fun with you guys, and I'm just excited that I'm back to create more content, to create more beautiful content, and to just, you know, make videos that, you know, can help inspire you guys to take one step at a time. And without further ado, let's go. It's been a while since I last flew. Is it flew or flown? I don't know. It's been a while since I last flew a drone, and it's just so amazing yeah, to be back here and, you know, just test it out. Let's do it. Let's go. I hope it all goes well. I hope everything goes well. So right now we're on set, and we're just taking our first take, and everything is moving on well, and everything is beautiful. What we're gonna do, we're just going to train how to fly the drone. Like, it's been a very long time, and I feel like I've rushed it, you know? Like, I don't think I can even fly the drone. So let's go, and we just fly the drone and see what happens. Hey Peter, so help me just watch over the drone. Am I safe right about now?
Oh yeah, you are safe.
Oh, okay. So let me just move. Like we're having a lot of trees here and a little bit of wires. Am I safe right now, Peter?
Yeah, it is safe.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, you are crashing it onto the wire.
Oh man, I just crashed. I just crashed it into the electric wire, and damn it. Let's see how it is, but I don't think I've just lost. I think I've just lost the drone right about now. We managed to recover back the drone, and we're happy, and we can't wait to fly it again. I would love to take this wonderful opportunity to just say thank you to y'all who like reached out to me through SMS, through Instagram, through phone calls, through WhatsApp. Man, thank you so much for reaching out to me and just, you know, giving me the support, giving me the love, showing me the love, like telling me that I can make it, I can overcome this fear, overcome this health complication that I had. And I can't wait to, you know, show you the videos and just film and show you exactly what I passed through. I'm so grateful for your support. I'm so grateful for your help. Man, this community is just more than a family. It's a family, and I can't wait to grow with you guys all together, because you're just an amazing family. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Peace. Wait, don't cut.